Alright you guys, this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Trond 6-port universal desktop charger, model G6C. Here's some stuff. Here's some specs. Contact info. Email. So we'll just slide it out here. Thank you for your purchase. Well, that's a nice sediment. I'll just open it here. Got the device right here. It's not too heavy. It's got a little bit of weight to it. And it just says Trond. There's where the power cable plugs in at, and it is, oh, can't focus. Wow, that sucks. So the input, of course, is 100 to 240, and the output, 5 volts, 10 amps max. The quick charge 2.0 output is 5 volts, 2 amps max. So the type C output is 5 volts at 3 amps max. So here's the ports. Now, I don't even know how to, so you got your type C, your quick charge, and then there's your USB. Oh, whoa. Wow, camera fail. That thing's just falling. Sorry guys. So, there's your smart charge. I guess it's called Smart Charge or something like that. Those are just the basic ports there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Let's see, we got a welcome guide, some stuff about the charger itself. You're in good hands. It's like a customer care warranty paper inside the box here. If I can get it open. There we go. It's probably just cable. So this does not come with any USB cables. It just comes with this wall to box power cable. And that's pretty much it. So there you go. Trond 6-port universal charger. Thanks for watching.